Hello folks, this is Aditya from inspiredtorise.com and this is the Vivo Nex smartphone. It has got a 91.2% screen to body ratio and it's amongst the finest flagships by Vivo till date. This smartphone comes with a lot of accessories inside the box and let me tell you about all of them. So inside you get the fast charger for the smartphone. This one comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and there's the TPU cover which has got a very nice finish on the inside. You also get in-ear style headphones which are very good. The design was quite good, and you also get the SIM tray removal pin. The SAR value is written over here and there's the documentation etc. The smartphone also comes with a USB type C cable because that's the main thing about it. For everything about the smartphone and how well does it perform, how well does it hold up in real world usage, watch on our full review which is going to come soon on Inspire to Rise and Inspire to Hindi. Till then guys, stay inspired to rise.